Hi, my name's Andrew McCombe and I'm the founder of Outlier TV. Outlier shares the inspiring stories of ordinary people doing extraordinary things with their businesses and or their lives outside the comfort zone as they inspire other potential outliers to do the same. I originally started Outlier because I felt different and that I didn't belong to the traditional way that society operates. I was sick of feeling like I was expected to do life and business in a system that just doesn't work for me. So I set out to create an energy and flow that feels more natural and that does work for me and other outliers who feel the same way. Whilst creating Outlier, it's been really heartening to find that so many of the world's most inspiring and successful people have at some point in their life felt the same way that I did. So by sharing their stories, I'm lucky enough to inspire other potential outliers to be successful by being true to themselves at the same time. An outlier is someone who's different. They're different to others in the group. They just think differently. They march to the beat of their own drum. And you'll find if the world's doing one thing, outliers are doing the opposite. We're agitators, athletes, innovators, inventors, disruptors, creators, experts, rebels, misfits, and entrepreneurs. We're high achievers and we're never happy with the status quo. We know we have infinite potential and we're driven to realise it. We just look at the world differently. Outlier is different to other educational content companies because we focus on the why and the what, not the how to. Even though we do teach outliers all the necessary steps to create and share their message or business. Deep down, we're about the silence and stillness, and we're definitely not about adding more noise. There's far too much of that already. What the world needs right now is not more information, but more clarity, connection, and authenticity. And a clarity, connection, and authenticity that's specific to ourselves and our own personal circumstances. The Outlier episodes and the Outlier U program and coaching inspires outliers to connect with this deeper part of themselves and their unique gift. A gift that gives them all of the talents, knowledge, and power to create an amazing business and lives for themselves and others. Ultimately, Outlier is a message, a platform, a community, and a brand that reflects a way of life. It's for heart-centered individuals and entrepreneurs who want to be true to themselves above all else. And then by default, they'll make a difference to themselves, their customers, their families, their society, and the world in some way. And all whilst creating a fulfilling life, business, and lifestyle that they want to live, as they're supported by other like-minded outliers being and doing the same. The Outlier TV series and the Outlier U program and coaching uses the same media and marketing solution that I developed when I created the world's favourite golf travel TV series, Golf Getaway, the world's favourite online learning platform, Golf University, the Search for Scratch documentary, and the subscription channel, The 19th Hole. If you're committed to unleashing your inner outlier in your business and or your life, then I invite you to watch the Outlier TV series at outlier.tv. And if you'd like even more support from the Outlier U coaching program, then go to outlier.tv/strategy session. Fill in a few questions, and from there, I'd be more than happy to jump on a call with you to discuss where you're at, where you'd rather be at, and how Outlier can support you to make your outlier life a reality.